To load test, I gotta do this. I gotta push this for 10 seconds. Oof.
Right, this shit crazy, this shit crazy.
All right, what's going on, guys? So I'm back again. I got another video for you guys. So this video is about, or is for people like me that always travel. Um, you're not always around to start up your car. You're always out of state, out of the country, vacationing, right? You're always traveling. And you have some cars um, that has batteries. Not Tesla battery. Oh no, you know what? Electric vehicles. If I remember correctly, my other my other EVs, they do have batteries. So this topic is about testing your batteries. How do you know if your battery's bad? Because you could buy a charger and charge it up, but it doesn't hold any charge. So how do you know if your battery needs to be replaced? And this problem always, and it's always a concern for people like me, who always is always traveling outside the country, and your cars will be stuck before maybe for 6 months, 8 months in the garage doing nothing. That battery will deplete, and if it's prolonged at that state, you may have to replace them. But before you replace your battery, what you want to do is charge it up first, make sure it's fully charged, and then you do a battery test, load test, battery test, load test. So I have the product. I'm gonna show you guys. So I got it from Amazon. I didn't get the expensive one. The expensive one, or the better ones, cost around $30 or more. But I got the $20 one because, look, do I need to spend more than $20? Not if I have to, right? I could spend that $10 on Starbucks, macchiato, blonde rose, venti. Mhm. Anyway, guys. So let's start with the video, and I hope this will help people like me who likes to travel and is always not like people like me who is always on the road, who's always out of the country, and they're leaving their vehicles parked more than 2 weeks to 6 months to 8 months, and your batteries, if left at that stage, discharge, you will prematurely have to buy a new battery. But this one will check and confirm that you will need to buy a battery. So we need to do a battery test and then a load check. All right, guys, let's dig deeper. All right, this is $21 from Amazon. That's the description right there. What's going on, guys? I got this new product to test my battery. I'll show you guys. This one right here. I'll give more details later. I'm gonna show you guys how to test a battery. So this is the product. It's off right now. So what I'm gonna do is hook up the positive first. Man, this is difficult. It wasn't in one hand. Shoot. Come on, man. Okay. And I'm gonna hook the negative to the negative post. And let's watch the meter. The meter says it's good right there. So it's 12.3 right there, 12.3. Got to make sure we don't have that parallax. Okay, what I'm seeing here is 12.3, but the camera is showing 12.4, but it's 12.3, and it indicates that it's good. So now we're gonna do a load test. To load test, I gotta do this. I gotta push this for 10 seconds. So I'm gonna have to use my camera for the 10 seconds to load test it. Here we go. Oof. Man, you see that smoke? Whew. See, it creates resistance here. So I did 2 seconds already. Let me see. Let's do 3 more seconds. Okay. What does that say right now? 12.2. So with 5 seconds, it went down to 12.2, and that indicates good. So this is what we call load test. Hold the toggle switch for 5 to 10 seconds. No more than 10 seconds. Okay, let's do another 5 seconds. Here we go. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $12.2. It's still good. All right, so 5 seconds of charging this, and I did the loading test. The battery's still good. Well, I expected it because it's a brand new car. So that's all, guys. Another thing, guys, this thing is hot. Okay, that's hot. So when you push this, you go to 5 seconds, but no more than 10 seconds. So 5 to 10 seconds, and then you let go, and then you check this. Let me reiterate this. All right, so first you connect the cables to the correct polarity, and then you check for the voltage here. If it's above 12, 12.3, 12.4, it'll indicate if it's good or not. If you're in the green zone, you have a good battery. And then you do a load check. It even says here, load on no more than 10 seconds. So you push this. I did 5 seconds 2 times. So 5 seconds, and I checked it. It was still, the voltage was 12.2. And then I did another 5 seconds, and then it was 12.2. So the battery is good. So that's how you test your battery before you purchase a new one. Another thing you guys should realize is that this thing is hot. Don't touch it. When you're handling this, be careful because you're going to get burned. So this is it, guys. That's the product. And I will put more information about it. And this is a good product, especially if you own cars and you just want to make sure that the battery needs a replacement, because you don't want to replace a battery for for no reason at all, because the battery is about $150. So this will determine if the battery is bad. Make sure also before you do the test, your car battery is fully charged. And this car is ready to fully charge. I know, because it's a brand new car. Anyway, so that's it, guys.